now have the honor of calling up a dear friend, former prosecutor, mayor of the second largest municipality in Ocean County, right behind Lakewood, the mayor of concert, Tom Keller.
Thank you, Senator. You know, when they asked me to come over here, I thought I was going to be sworn in to get my old job back as a prosecutor.
This is always a photo op. So I'm going to let the photographers get set up. I had it upside down, so I'll straighten that out. Joseph, please repeat after me. I, Joseph Coronato.
I, Joseph Coronato.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
And the Constitution of the State of New Jersey.
And the Constitution of the State of New Jersey.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
And to the governments established.
To the government established.
In the United States.
In the United States.
And this state.
In this state.
Under the authority of the people.
Under the authority of the people.
And that I will faithfully.
And that I will faithfully.
Impartially.
And justly.
Perform all the duties.
Of
Ocean County Prosecutor. According to the best of my ability. So help me God. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. And finally, I must start out by thanking Governor Christie for this nomination. I'm so grateful for him, for his trust, faith he has placed in me, and I'm sure it will not be misplaced. I thank Senator Singer, Senator Hosaffel, and Senator Connors for their support. I also thank the Ocean County Freeholders for their support, as well as George Gilmore. I, of course, must acknowledge and thank my wife, Elaine, Dana, and my son Joe. I'm blessed with a wonderful family. I really am. My sister Joan and her husband Mike are here with their 2 children. Can you please stand? Jen. My brother-in-law, Rich Larson, couldn't be, he got sick. I don't know why he got sick, maybe he couldn't stay too close to me, I don't know. But the bottom line is his wife, Elvira, and their family here. Can you please stand? And in addition, I come from an Italian family, so all my cousins and their families, they're all here. Thank you. To all the judges and elected officials, I look forward to working with you. To the many police chiefs and police officers and law enforcement officers, thank you. To my friends and members of the bar, thank you. To the staff of the prosecutor's office and my staff of the former law firm, my former partners, thank you very much. And my best friend and partner for many years, Gene Mulvaney. Where are you, Gene? I'm excited and honored to be the Ocean County prosecutor. The prosecutor's office in Ocean County has a great tradition. The former prosecutors, which I was going to announce, but they're all here. Please, guys, please stand up again. Judge Turnback, Judge Huber, and I know we have Mayor Kelleher, and of course Judge Millar. Please stand one more time. Senator Hosaffel couldn't be, and unfortunately Judge Marlene Lynch IV is not here, but They have established a precedent and set a high standard. I accept the challenge to maintain that standard, and I will endeavor to exceed it. Can the former prosecutors that are here today stand again, but they've done it, but I'm going to deviate a little bit here because I did notice that my first adversary, when I first tried it, my very first cases here, and Judge, if you would, please. Leave. I know when at that time when I was trying my first case, I said, as a deputy AG, I said, am I going to win this case or am I not going to win this case? And I didn't lose it. It was a hung jury. So I kind of learned at that particular time that trying a case is important. And I'm going to bring one other thing to the floor today. As a young deputy AG, the Attorney General sent me up to Newark, New Jersey one time. It was interview a garbage hauler up around exit 15. I had 2 state troopers with me, and we went in there, and actually we were looking for illegal dumping. It was one of my first cases I handled as a DAG. As I went up there, it was a little Italian guy that was the owner of the place, and he started screaming at me, saying that he knew that we were watching over him, that the helicopters were flying over every day, and that he wasn't going to tolerate it anymore. And before he could say anything, the trooper came and kicked me hard. So I didn't say a word. I left after that, and the trooper said, look, if this guy thinks that we have those helicopters flying over, they're traffic helicopters, let him think about it. And I guess the point is this. You can go to law school, you can be a lawyer, but you can learn from everybody. And that was a day that I learned that you can learn from a trooper, from a police officer, and I'm going to take that knowledge with me and I'm going to impart it to different people. And I do respect them immensely. I believe in fairness, accountability, and integrity, and will ensure that the citizens of Ocean County get nothing less. I thank Father John, he's my close friend for many, many years, and Reverend Jones for their blessings. And again to Senator Sinker, Mayor Kelleher, Judge Grasso, and my new boss, Attorney General Jeff Chasey. Thank you all for your kind words and wisdom, and thank you all for sparing this special moment with me. Thank you.